Hey everybody, Dallas Fisher here at Montana Drone Company, along with two of my pilots. Wow, guys, we almost never get together.
I know, it's incredible.
But it's holiday season, so we got to give a shout out to our calendar, our first one ever coming together. We talked about this for a few years, but here it is, our 2022 calendar. And right now we're going to talk about, we have several of our pictures in here. What was your favorite one, guys? And I will start this off though. Right off the bat, I had to put as January 2022. This is my backcountry shot that I got asked by some people, thought it was a ski resort. No, this is snowmobiling in the backcountry on the border of the wilderness. Well, I'm legal taking this shot, and most people don't get to see this. And it was a bluebird day, lots of fun. Jordan's a snowmobiler too. You know, we get to see some beautiful country. That's why it had to make the calendar as a winter wilderness. So, TJ, what was your favorite one?
So I'm going to be biased. I love movies, but my photo that I would choose for favorite is going to be March with the Untouchables. And the reason that this is my favorite is this was actually featured in the film, The Untouchables, and it also happens to be about 2 miles away from where I grew up. I love the Dearborn area. I think it's beautiful, and the theme for the month was bridges, so I knew exactly what I was going to be taking a photo of.
And Jordan?
So my favorite photo of the month that I took this last year was May Morel. And this was just a memorable trip for me. I took my daughter and my mom and my dad, and we all went up to Morel Lookout. We actually got stuck on the way. There was tons of snow, and it was just a reminder for next year. I'm definitely going to go backcountry skiing there at the end of May.
You know, I remember that was Jordan wanted to do towers, but he never clarified what month. No. So maybe we'll do July or August next year. But again, thank you to all our fans. That's what we love, our different categories each month. Remember, there are some never seen before photos in here that we might have been taken through the year. So if you're looking for an awesome stocking gift, it also goes to our youth outreach program, where again, I've talked to like the 4-H club. Jordan was talking to the Girl Scouts, Missoula. TJ is just going a bunch of, is it 5th grade? What are you talking there?
Yeah, 5th graders over at Starbase at Fort Harrison here. It's a really awesome STEM program that teaches kids all about technology, and I love doing it.
That's what we're going to ramp that up more. So all proceeds from our calendar sales goes to our youth outreach program. So thank you, fans. Happy holiday season, and we'll see you in 2022.